so far across the sky. You said you wouldn't be gone for long, that someday you would return. You told me to take care of myself, but tears keep falling down my face. I don't even know what to say. You live now in a brighter land. Maybe you've grown wise and strong, not like me, still working hard, with tears that fall every day. You'll never know, even if I cry, even if I call your name, you'll never hear my voice. Every single day and night, my heart still belongs to you. You've been 10 long years, no letters, no words, no messages from you. How have you been? You must have someone new. That's why you've forgotten me, but I still wait for you and remember every word you said. Perhaps you've forgotten someone left behind in Asia. I wrote you letters, but I don't know where to send them. I don't know your number, or where you live now. All I can do is pray above that your heart will find its way and turn back to me someday. No letters, no words, no messages from you. How have you been? You must have someone new. That's why you've forgotten me, but I still wait for you and remember every word you said. Perhaps you've forgotten someone left behind in Asia. Perhaps you've forgotten someone left behind in Asia. Maybe I'll wait for you until the day my life